Crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and just a real quick little ornament um, thing that this has been years in the making. I made several of these, has to be 30 years ago. This one is for my daughter that her school, some of the teachers had put together in 1992. So how long ago was that? And so I copied this for one Christmas, and I sold them at some craft fairs and did all sorts of things. And actually, this is the only one I have left because the other ones that I made, I gave to my boys to put on their family trees. So a lot of my ornaments have gone out to the next generation. So this one I have left over, and I just wanted to show how simple it is to make. It's popsicle sticks, and we all have a ton of those laying around. And so just takes 4 of those, 2 in the center, come out a little bit more, the 2 on the back. And I used hot glue, I believe, as well as they did here. You just cut one in thirds and put it at the base to make sure that the top is stable. And then you put a couple more for the sled rungs. And that is all there is to it, and they're so cute. And you can paint them red, or you can even put a piece at the top here, and instead of hot gluing your ribbon like that to hang it up, you can put the piece at the front, where you would normally drive it or steer it, I guess. And so you could have another piece over here. But how cute is that? And they're so simple to make. And, I think when you have handmade ornaments on your tree, like our family did, you're passing down those fun things, and there's always memories that go along with that. So your kids pass them on to your grandkids, and so on and so on. And you never know how many generations this will see. So that's one idea that I thought never goes out of style. And if you didn't know about these, you know about them now. And then I wanted to show you this is the Christmas Toile cardstock stickers and sentiment set that I had gotten from HSN when they had the craft day a few months ago. And let me just show you the patterns on this, and they're just beautiful. I love toile in any fashion that it is. These are just so cute. Here you got skating. I was thinking I could even do, put the skates on this. I don't know how I would do that, but anyway. So it comes in these different colors, the red, the green, this is silver, and then the silvery blue, I guess, in each of the styles. And they come in the 5x7 and also the 12x12 sheets. I don't know if they still have them. If they do, I will put the description and the HSN number down below. And then what I did is I cut the 5x7s. I don't do a lot of 5x7 cards, but I will be doing some. And then I just took one each of these and I cut them in half, and then they fit just fine. I'll put a piece of red stock underneath this. This is a regular A2 card, and put this on the center, and then put some gold underneath it. I'll do something. And then it comes with the stickers, and we'll look at these real quick. So I can open up this. There we go. And if you ever have anything from Anna Griffin, you know that you will, never use up everything. And a lot of what she shows, as far as examples go, also have the background, the filigree pieces that you can cut out in gold or whatever color, and then, put these pieces along with it. And they're in all of the colors, the green, and I love this green, this real deep green. And here we have the bird. I couldn't think of what that was. And here, the blue and the red. That's not mistletoe. That's, what's the other one? Mistletoe is white and the other one is red. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, and then you have them in gold as well. And holly. That's it. Thank you. I heard you. I heard somebody out there shouting it. It's holly. And then also have some little things, little cards. Those are cute. Those are there. And then we have December calendars. Then you have the stickers, and these are the sentiments. These would be the 3D pieces. And, you know, if you didn't know this, most all of her items have a sticker back to it. And I, for the longest time, was putting glue or double-sided tape or something on it. And most all of these, especially the 3D pieces, are sticker pieces. So just peel it off and there you go. You got a sticker. I didn't know that. Yeah, well, it took me a long time to figure it out, and even these things. So here we have some 3D trees and banners, some skaters. How cute is that? We have skiers, sled, Santa, sleighs. Oh, nope, that's Santa and the reindeer. We have another sled. Very pretty. You know, it reminds me of Currier and Ives when I see anything in toile like this and these types of old pictures and things like that. So there you go. I will probably do up a couple of cards and I'll show them to you later, but I wanted to show you those two things. And this is, by the way, 8 in our series of Christmas days, 25 days of Christmas, and we'll see you tomorrow. Go craft. Bye-bye.